Good morning, children. We are back with our maths class. Children, today we will do the subject enrichment activity, which will have 5 marks in it. In this activity, we will make a fraction bird with paper cutting. So, children, make this fraction bird and send it to me to ensure your marks in the activity. To begin with, take a sheet of paper. Using the glass and the pencil, trace a few circles for making the bird. Cut them using the scissors. Take help from your parents if you are not allowed or uncomfortable in using the scissors. As you can see, I have cut 2 circles. Further, I will take one of them, fold it equally into half to obtain a trace of line. You will cross this line to obtain a semicircle like this. Once we cut the circle into half equally, we get a semicircle. When we cut the semicircle vertically and equally, we obtain a quarter of a circle. So children, this is known as quarter, which is represented as 1/4. When we cut this quarter equally but diagonally, we get these 4 sections. These are known as 1/8 of a circle. When we join all these parts together, we get a full circle. For example, if I put across the remaining parts, we will get a full circle. Now, I have obtained all the necessary needed paper cuttings to make a fraction bird. Now, take any other colored sheet of paper of your choice. Use one semicircle. Put some glue on one of its sides to form the body of the bird. Paste it in the center of the sheet. Take any other small semicircle. Make sure this should be smaller than the size of the circle which you have already used to cut the body of the bird. Paste it at one of the corners of the bigger semicircle. This will be the head of the bird. Now we will be pasting the tail of the bird. We will use 1/8 of a circle and paste it at the tip of the bigger semicircle. We will also use another smaller 1/8 cutting of a paper circle. Put some glue. Paste it to form the beak of a bird. Finally, we will paste the wings of the bird using another 1/8 cutout of the circle. Having pasted all the parts of the bird, we will use the black sketch pen to outline the legs and the eyes. You can decorate the bird as per your liking as per your choice. You can label the fraction also. If you like to understand the concept better. You can also mention what you have drawn. It's a fraction bird, so you will write fraction bird. Hope you understood the basic concepts involved in fraction using this activity. When it comes to art and craft, your creativity is the limit to great work. You may use the paper craft technique to make any figure of your choice, including jungle animals, small insects, fishes, or beautiful flowers. Hope you enjoy doing the activity. Okay children, do this activity. Thank you children.